PEM Software's Payroll gives you the flexibility you need to meet your payroll needs. It can be run as a standalone program or together with our full integrity system. Entering Paychecks is very simple. Click an option. You'll be brought up to a screen that shows you all your employees. You can simply select an employee and start entering their paychecks. Need to enter multiple line items on a single paycheck? Not a problem with our software. Enter as many gross values for a paycheck as you need. Do they work in multiple states? You can also specify which states that pay line is associated to. You can cost your paychecks directly to a specific job. If you have our prevailing wage software installed, you can also mark the hours as prevailing wage and import them directly into our certified payroll. Save on double entering. Need to assign them to a union? Create as many unions in the software as you need. You can also break your paychecks into departments so you can track where the actual hours and expenses are for each department. Once the paychecks have been entered and saved, if you need to change any of the calculated taxes, you can easily do that by going to the Calculated Taxes menu and changing the figures that are entered in here. This is great if you're trying to enter your information for a year-to-date number and getting started with the software. You can also run a pre-check register to get an idea of what your payroll impact for the week is going to be. When it comes time to print your paychecks, simply go to Print Your Paychecks option from the menu. You'll see all the checks that are available to be printed. Mark the ones that you want to print. Click Print Your Paychecks. You'll be able to enter the paycheck date and the starting check number. The software will print all your checks for you. PEM Software's paycheck stubs are easy to read and straightforward. Once your paychecks have been printed, you can simply go to Post Paychecks. This will apply them to the general ledger accounts and to the employee's year-to-date values. Setting up your deductions, your unions, and your departments is very simple from the Setups menu. You can easily go down and click on the unions. You can set up as many unions with as many breakouts as you need. Assign those unions to the employees. You can also set up your deductions and any other compensations that employees might get. This can be your 401ks, maybe cash reimbursements, child support, and other things. You can specify whether these deductions come out as a percentage, a dollar figure, if they're half taxed, fully taxed, or partially taxed, if there's a ceiling on that deduction or compensation, if it's employer matched, and so forth. You can also specify how they will print and where they need to be handled on your W-2s. The software also comes loaded with several tax reports. You'll be able to print out your federal, state, FICA, 941, and more simply by going to the tax reports. The software will give you a report that provides you with all the information that you need to submit your tax reports. These can be run by date ranges, by quarter, depending on the type of report that you select. From the Payroll Paycheck History menu, you'll be able to view all your employees' history for their payroll. So depending on the employee you select, you'll be able to see their current year-to-date values up in the top right-hand corner. The window is broken into multiple parts to show you the hourly employees and salaried employees. If you need to void a paycheck, you can void a paycheck directly from here. If you need to copy a paycheck, create a brand new paycheck based on a prior one. There are many other reports included with PEM Software's payroll system, as well as a check listing, a posting reprint, an employee activity, job costing print, and more. You can also print your W-2s at the end of the year. PEM Software's payroll gives you the option of either printing your W-2s to the original red inked forms. You can print our W-2s to plain paper. You can also create the upload files for both the state and the Social Security Administration. If you have any questions or would like more information, please give PEM Software a call. Thank you.